my artistic life has been the Goodman. From the very first show to this, the most personal thing I've ever done, and the most ambitious. It's kind of a one-person musical but it's much more musically ambitious than anything I've ever done.
It's kind of film scory. There's a lot of underscoring that I've composed. There's this kind of classical folk elements in the orchestrations as well. They're dark and they're pretty. They're lush and full, and the story it's such a delicate story. The music could easily fall into sentimentality.
It's basically what I do with what he does have come together, and we've got this meeting point of the two, and they're matched in a way that is beyond my wildest dreams.